Hi guys, today I'm sharing one of my favorite brunch dish. I call it ackee puff and everybody love it, especially the picnic them. Cause them really not eat the ackee with the food like the dumpling, the banana or rice. So this is just perfect for them. Guys, look, it's basically like a puff pastry with the ackee filling. Wanna see it? So let me show you how I make it. I start by cutting up sweet peppers, onions. I use thyme and tin ackee because that's what I have available here. And me have to boil my ackee even though it's already cooked. So then I add all the vegetables, seasoning, the onions, the sweet pepper, the tomato, saute that, and then I add the ackee to it. Add a little fresh thyme and all-purpose seasoning. Then I just add the ackee to the pastry dough and bake it. And guys, when I tell you that it's just so good. Look at it.